We're not even out of the car park and his cool stuff.
I went what
Look at that.
was.
No, we're not, it's still not in the show.
Is it? Oh.
It is absolutely packed.
That one?
Yeah.
With the pedals.
How cool is that? Nice Indians over there, look. It's weird being around so many people in there. Oh, nice Michelin sign.
It's been a really long time since we've been in a big crowd. It feels weird, I don't like it.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Nice rally chopper.
Yeah, as an ornament does.
MG bumper. What is that hard top off then? Do you reckon?
I don't know.
No, I don't know either. Some cool signs there, innit? Coca-Cola.
Where? Oh, there.
There, the blue one.
I feel my like food Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Where?
Let's walk along. Dr. Pepper. Huh. Used to have stuff like this on the wall when I was a kid.
Why?
That's because it's cool. That's really nice, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Nice for the shed. It's a really big engine for a really little saw. Yeah, it's real.
Are they real lights?
Yeah, I think they're probably real lights.
I don't think it's nice. I don't know where you're pointing to because you like a lot of things.
BSA pedals.
What's BSA?
British Small Arms. Small carburetor. That's cool. Wonder what this little dash is off. It's nice, isn't it? Look at those, very nice.
They like the first ones the most.
Do you think we should buy that to go on the back of the Robin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do not know what.
Because that's nice.
Is that real?
Yeah, I could probably sand press that as well then, couldn't I? Make copies of it. It's been polished up quite nice. Nice Reliant Regal axle, but it's 250 quid, so I'm not getting that. And I've just picked that up, but I ain't giving it to Furious Driving. There, wicked. Which one's your favourite?
What?
I don't know, Slim looks like he's given up on the end there. Mummy like those.
This guy's in Malvern and he's got...
And this is Reliant Ant. Oh, if it's from Malvern, that must mean it's one of Joe's. That's cool. That's what I'm going to do with mine. I'm just going to leave it like a bed like that. And then we can put whatever we want on the back.
Like a trailer.
Yeah. What axle is on that? I can't see. Okay. I can't see any markings on that axle.
Maybe because it's rusty.
It's nice though, isn't it?
Yes. It's nice.
Is that a Morris Deluxe? Look at that. Haven't seen one of those for a while.
Yeah, if it was Escort though, we wasn't.
So that's up for sale. The guy just said he wants 10 grand for that.
Nice little early Jeep Z500S. My first bike was one of these. We rode it all across Europe. France, Germany, Switzerland, Liechtenstein in about 3 weeks. Great little bike.
How cool is that? They are pretty cool. That is a really cool BSA sidecar, isn't it?
That's nice.
It's like a boat.
That is really nice.
Would that go with one of your bikes, Blod?
Mine.
This is cool.
I like camper vans.
Well, you want to buy a camper van?
Yes.
What, this one?
Yes.
What do you think Mummy would say if we turned up with this? Come home with it.
What on earth did you buy?
I think she'd like it.
How much money did you spend on it? It's cool though.
It is wicked.